I work at Omicron as a customer and sales support person, and I'm also working in training and administration. A typical day would be a lot of interactions with customers, with sales partners, with area sales managers, with the central office, and with my team members. I like to think of CSS, which is a customer sales support person, as an intermediary between basically customer sales managers and the head office. So we're kind of coordinating the whole sales process till we get an order. I believe that what's very special and unique about Omicron is the environment it provides to people. It's personally, I think it's an environment that fosters a lot of growth. Whenever you'd face a problem, you can go to a colleague, everyone would be willing to help you. There's nothing as something too difficult to achieve. It's a company basically where ordinary people, given a very good environment, can achieve extraordinary things.